If you are new to WordPress and just want to learn WordPress and practice WordPress, buying a hosting plan is not recommended because it costs money. If I say you can use WordPress on your local Windows system free without internet, yeah, that's true. But how to install WordPress on your local Windows system? So I'm going to tell you how you can install WordPress for free on your local Windows system. So without wasting time, let's get started. To install WordPress on Windows system, we need two softwares. The first one is XAMPP Server and second one is WordPress, which you can download for free from the official sites, the description of which is given in the description box below. Here is the WordPress website and here is the XAMPP website. Now, since I have already downloaded it, I don't need to install it again because I have already installed the XAMPP server also. There is nothing in installing XAMPP server, just double click on it and click on the next button and it will easily install on your Windows system within around 2 or 3 minutes. I'm assuming that you have installed XAMPP server on your Windows system and then we can proceed further. Since we have installed the XAMPP server, we will get a control panel which is called XAMPP control panel, which looks like this. If you don't get it, you can also search it in the search box like XAMPP and it will appear in the search result here. By clicking on this, you will open the XAMPP control panel, which looks like this. The first one is Apache server and the second one is the MySQL server, which you need to start. Just click on the start button, which is given in the front of this, and it will start easily. If you are facing some kind of trouble or issues, you can comment down below or message me on my Twitter handle. Once you have started the Apache and the MySQL, make sure to check whether the installation is complete or not, which you can check by just typing the local host in the address bar of the browser. And if you see this kind of page, it means that you have successfully installed the XAMPP server. Congratulations for that. Now it's time to install the WordPress. Open it and you will find an option that is extract. You need to extract the WordPress folder to the htdocs folder which can be found in the XAMPP installation directory. Since I have installed the XAMPP in the C drive, I have to expand the C, and now select the XAMPP and here you will find one folder that is htdocs. Select it and OK. Now wait till the extraction process completes. Now it has been completed. Now go to the XAMPP installation directory. Here is the XAMPP. Click on it and you will find the folder htdocs. Here you will get one folder named WordPress. Now if you open this, you will find several files which you don't need to move or edit anything, just leave it. And this WordPress, you can change the folder name to the name which you want. I have changed this to MyWP and hit enter. Now it's time to go back to the browser. Here you will get one tab named PHPMyAdmin. Click on this. It will take some time. You have to create one database, so click here on the new. Basically in PHPMyAdmin you interact with the databases. Here create database and database name, so you can give any name. I'm giving you the same as my website, MyWP, and don't change anything, just click on the create. Now the database has been created, but still you need to create users that can utilize this database. To create new user, you can click on the privileges. Here you will get the list of already created users, but we are required to create new user, and here you will get one option that is add user account. Click on this and here you will ask, and here it will ask some fields which we need to enter. First one, the username. Type in whatever username you want, let's say MyWP. Now the host name, make sure to select the local, and then the password. Now we are required to give the privileges to this user, and since it is administrator, we have to give all the permissions. Now check all and you are done. Just click on the go button. Yes, you have added a new user. Now almost we are 50% done. Now we are required to open our website to complete the installation. Just type in the localhost slash, type in the folder name which we have changed, myw, and hit enter. Since the WordPress installation has not been completed, you will see this page to complete the installation. Now click on the let's go. Now here the database. Make sure to enter the exact name which we have created in the PHPMyAdmin. The database name was mywp. Okay. Username which we have created, it was also mywp. The password which we have created, type in the exact. Okay. Host, localhost, no problem. And you don't need to change anything else, just click on the submit button. Okay, now you have successfully connected WordPress to a database. Now run the installation. We have almost 80% done. Now it will ask some basic questions like site title, username, etc. So enter the site title which you want. Type in whatever name you want to use. Now we have to create a user which will use the WordPress. It can be different from the one we have created in PHPMyAdmin. So I am creating same as the database, mywp, and create a password. One thing I want to tell you that it can be different from the database. It is not database, you are creating website now. Okay, so you can enter whatever you want to. Now since this is a weak password, you have to confirm this. Now enter the email ID. In case you forgot the password and you have a internet connection and email provider also given, then you can also send the reset link to your registered email ID which is here. Now everything has been done, and just click on the install WordPress. Now the complete WordPress installation has been done. Now you need to log into the WordPress dashboard, which you can also call the admin panel. Type in the username that you just created for the WordPress, not for the database. Okay, so this is the dashboard of WordPress. It signifies that the installation has been completed. Now it is ready to go. Install the plugins, install the themes, whatever you want to do with WordPress, it is ready. So how will you see the website? So click on the new tab and just type the localhost slash the site name which you have given to your website. Mine was mywp, and hit enter. Now here you can see your website. It has been created on your local Windows system. As you can see, there is no internet. The WordPress installation has been done completely, and congratulations, you have created your WordPress website. Now there are more things to set up, which is a topic for another video, like installing themes, installing plugins, writing your first post. All this will be covered in the subsequent video, so make sure to subscribe this channel. If you have some query or facing issues with WordPress, you can follow me on Twitter, and there you can ask me anything related to WordPress. If you think you learned something, don't forget to like or dislike this video. If you have any suggestion, comment down below. And most important, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get future notifications. So we'll see you in next video. Peace.